Imagine creating a full gospel music video without a studio, without expensive equipment, and without paying a single dime. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to create your own gospel song, generate visuals, animate them, and turn everything into a professional music video using only free AI tools. Let's start testing this. First, we need our music. So go ahead to your browser and search for Google Gemini. Google Gemini is actually free as of the time making this video. Click on it, and if you don't already have an account, go ahead and sign up. Once you are logged in, this is your main interface. Now for our gospel music video, we need a song. You can either create lyrics for your song or generate the music directly, and that's exactly what I'm going to do for this particular music video. This is a new update from Google Gemini. It has a new feature that lets you create copyright-free music for free. So click on the tools icon, then select create music. Now you will see a section that says describe your track. That's where you put in everything that describes the type of music you want to create. So I pasted in this prompt like this, saying, create a gospel song, let it be emotional, intentional, relatable, and in a form of worship mood. It should be slightly danceable and about 2 minutes long. Then hit on send and let it generate. Do not worry, I'm going to paste all the exact prompts I used to generate my own music video, from the music generation to the visual generation. I'm going to paste them in the description box, so check it out. Now here's the truth. Even though I asked for a 2-minute song, Gemini gave me about 30 seconds long song, and that's because we are using the free version. But honestly, for short form or creative videos, this works perfectly. So once my song is ready, as you can see right here, I click on download and save it as an audio file. Next, we need visuals. Since we have created the audio for our music video, we need visuals to visualize the song. So still on that same chart where I generated my song using Google Gemini, on that same chart, what you just need to do is to click on this cancel option and cancel the music generation since you are done with generating music. And what you need to do next is to paste a new prompt asking Gemini to describe your gospel artist, generate 10 creative video scenes, include camera angles and HD cinematic style. All these are in one prompt, which I promise to paste in the description, so check it out. In seconds, you will get a complete blueprint for your music video, and this blueprint it just gave to you contains text prompt, description of your gospel artist. I have a female gospel artist in this case, and also it gives you the different scenes that makes up your music video that you need to generate, and it also includes the camera angle just to give it that cinematic sophisticated shot. So in few seconds I have my blueprint ready. Now let's bring our artist to life, because just text will not bring her to life. Now go to your browser and search for Google Flow. Sign up with your Gmail account. Once you are in, click on create with Flow, then click on new project. Now here's something most people don't know. Flow isn't just for video generation, that is using it to access VO3 features. No, you can also generate images using Google Flow, and it's totally free, guys. I used all these tools for free. So now that you're in Flow, you need to switch to image. Set your aspect ratio to 16:9. Choose a free model like Nano Banana Pro and paste the artist description you got from Gemini. Now click on generate, and in just seconds we have our gospel singer ready. Download this image, because this particular image we just generated is like the base image for our gospel singer. That means that the other scenes for our music video, this first image we generated is like the starting image, is like the base image. We'll need to upload this base image to be able to get our artist in the different scenes we have already visualized. Hope you get me. Now is for us to build the story. It's for us to build our music video, the visuals that makes it up. So go back to Gemini. On that same chart, remember, on that same chart, we created our music, we created the description of our artist and the different scenes we are going to be using. On that same chart, copy the scene one description, then return to Flow. Click the plus icon, upload your base image, that's this first image we generated, paste in the scene one prompt and hit on generate. So this image we now got is our scene one image. You could see that our base image and our scene one image, the artist looks the same. Nothing changes because we uploaded the base image before pasting in the same prompts for scene one. For you to maintain consistency of your music video and of your gospel artist or your artist, you need to always remember to upload in the base image before putting in your scene prompts. So once I have done this, I've generated the image for scene one. The next one is to repeat it throughout the different scenes. So we have about 10 scenes. So I'm going to repeat this for all of them. Remember, we are first of all generating images. Now we have our multiple visuals in form of images that look like they belong in one music video. The next thing we need to do is to bring everything to life. Still on Flow, we need to switch from image to video. We are done generating the images. Now is to animate them. That is turning them from image to video. So switch from image to video on Flow. Then choose your aspect ratio. Then select VEO 3.1 Lite. This is the cheapest model I've already seen so far in this VEO3. You can see VEO3 fast, you can see VEO3 quality, you can see VEO 3.1 Lite. So that's the one I'm going to use. It is cheap and it still works great. So upload in your scene image, each of the scene images from scene 1 to scene 10, like one after the other. I know that this might take time, but you just need something good out of it. So you need to be persistent in what you are doing. So upload in your scene image, paste the same description, like just for the scene 1 description, you can still paste it in there and then click on generate. Free users get 150 credits daily. So you can create a lot of videos from this. Mind you, VEO 3.1 Lite costs just 10 credits. But if Flow doesn't work, sometimes for free users, they usually face this hassle. I actually faced that while creating this video. They usually face this hassle of actually creating videos. Sometimes you see that maybe network error and you see something like this, that it's usually bright. If you are faced with that challenge, you can also use Meta AI video generation. It is also completely for free. You can use it to animate your images and they are still of good quality. So this is an option you can also try out. Now that we have our music, we have created the visuals for our music video also. Now it's for us to trim the audio which we got for our music. That's the audio which Gemini created for us. You need to first of all listen to the audio, think very well and say, okay, since I want my artist to lip sync this particular song, I need to trim it into bits, like cut it. Since it's 30 seconds long, we can cut it into bits, like say just for 10 seconds, this particular part at scene 10, maybe my artist is going to lip sync this particular part of the audio at scene 10. Maybe my artist is going to lip sync this particular part of the song at scene 2. You get me? So that's the reason why we are trimming this audio. So for you to trim your audio, search for any audio trimmer online, upload your song and cut it into parts, especially the sections you want your artist to lip sync. Now that we are done with that, next is for us to lip sync our video, the visuals, the different scene visuals of our artist, is to lip sync the needed parts of it with our audio that we have just cut into parts. So this part makes the video feel so real. It's not all of the song that your artist will be lip syncing. Yes, some of them will be playing by the background, and then this particular scene one, your artist might just be like dancing or vibing to the song. It doesn't necessarily mean that she is actually lip syncing it, but the ones that you feel that you need her to lip sync, those are the ones you should cut, and those are the ones you should lip sync. So for us to lip sync our audio, we are also using a free tool. Go to your browser and search for free AI lip sync tool. I'm going to use this particular one. It is a lip sync video tool, so make sure you note it. So click on this AI lip sync video, then upload the clip. Take for instance is this particular scene where she is actually facing the camera singing. So you need to upload the particular clip where this singer's face and mouth can be visibly seen, so that this AI tool will give you something smooth and great. It shouldn't look abnormal. You get me? Make sure you upload that particular clip, upload it, and then upload the trimmed audio. Once you do that, then click on generate. This just cost me 4 credits. This particular AI tool that lip syncs actually gives you 50 free credits every day. So me using just 4 credits is actually so good. So once I have uploaded the video clip and also the audio, the trimmed audio I want her to lip sync, I then click on generate, and within minutes your singer is actually singing your song. Now we have already lip synced the parts we want our artist to sing, and we are done with everything. Now it's for you to bring everything together. Open any video editing tool, be it InShot or CapCut, import in your clips, arrange them in order, listen to each of them, be patient while arranging them, because what you're going to get after this is going to be massive. So arrange them in order, add your audio, match everything to the beat, and just like that, you have just created a modern gospel music video. And this is completely free. I bet you all the tools I use right here are free of charge. So if this helped you to create your first music video, then you already know what to do. Just like, subscribe, and share this so that someone who needs it can actually see it. And also guys, I'm going to paste in the exact prompt I used in the description. See you guys in my next video.
Oh, bless his holy name, yeah! When the waves are crashing high and the wind begins to blow, I'll praise his name on purpose, cause his peace is all. So we're gonna bless his name. Oh, bless his name. On and bless his name. He's worthy. Yes,